It's amazing to see how far we've come. Not too long ago, we were standing on an empty lot.
And now we've got this beauty standing tall. You're going to love seeing what's next.
Today's all about showing you the progress we've made and how each stage of the build has brought us closer to completing this high-performance home.
Stick around, folks, because we're going to show you exactly what's been going on behind the scenes. Trust me, you don't want to miss a thing.
Welcome back to the Satella project. We've been working hard on making sure every detail is perfect, and we're excited to share the progress of this energy efficient home today.
Yep, from the ground up, we've tackled everything. Foundations, framing, high performance windows and doors. We're finally getting to show you all the stages you've been curious about.
It all started with the foundation, the heart of any high performance home. A strong, well-insulated foundation makes a big difference in long-term energy efficiency.
And once that was set, we jumped straight into the framing. Got to get that structure solid before anything else.
The framing stage is where you can really start to visualize the space, how each room will feel, the flow of the natural light and the overall comfort of the home. These high-performance windows and doors are more than just beautiful design elements. They are a critical part of the home's thermal performance and energy efficiency, keeping it warm in winter and cool in summer.
Yep, double glazed, airtight and built to perform. They reduce thermal bridging, improve moisture control and ensure better energy efficiency year-round.
It's amazing how much natural light these energy-efficient windows let in, while maintaining the house's thermal barrier and energy efficiency. Insulation is one of the most critical aspects of a high-performance home. Here, we've used continuous insulation to create a thermal barrier that keeps the home comfortable all year round.
We've wrapped the entire house with this stuff. No gaps, no leaks. It's all about creating that airtight seal. Fewer drafts, less noise and better thermal resistance.
The beauty of continuous insulation is that it doesn't just keep the air in, it also improves the home's comfort and acoustic performance, making it quieter and cozier. There's still more to come. Next, we'll be installing the heat recovery ventilation system as part of our all-electric home system to ensure perfect indoor air quality and comfort.
Yes, the next few weeks are all about getting the air moving the right way, keeping things efficient and comfy. Stay tuned, it's going to be good.
We hope you enjoyed seeing how far we've come with the Satella project. It's been an exciting journey and we can't wait to share what's next.
Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next steps. Trust me, we've got a lot more in store.